What is up? Just another day in Michigan, and we are taking the Audi over to get a new exhaust. Pretty excited because I've never seen an S8 with a new exhaust on it, and bro, it's a V8 already, V8 turbo, and it sounds amazing. So I'm super excited. We're heading over right now, and stay tuned. Here we go. Would you just, yeah. Yeah, would you just look at those gauges? Yeah. Oh, they just look. Got those numbers on them. Yeah. I don't know what Ian's doing, but he's yelling at me right now. Ian, I don't appreciate you yelling at me.
Hey, you were sitting there not.
No, look at that donut, dude. No, I can't wait till he puts those new wheels on the Audi, dude.
Yeah.
What
it sounds like right now. Ready?
Oh, I'm ready. All right. Oh, are you serious? No. Okay, guys, so he just revved that Audi and it sounds pretty bad. All right, so stay tuned for what it's gonna sound like after the new install of the exhaust. Bridges. Oh, that backfire though. We have made it to the muffler shop. So this is like a custom muffler shop that Austin knows about. So we're taking the Audi here, and we are getting mufflers for these. How's it going? How's it going, man? Good. How you doing?
So I'm bringing my family friend's S8, and I think they talked to you, right?
They called me yesterday.
Yeah. All right, awesome.
Okay.
Yeah, we're super excited to do that because you did his Mercedes before too.
Yes.
So.
You want to leave it here and come back, or you want to
I think we can just come back whenever, and you can. Do you want me to give you my number?
Alright guys, so anyway, sorry about that. We are at the muffler shop, like I said before. It's a custom muffler shop that basically Austin takes his cars to, so we're taking the Audi to, and we're getting a muffler delete on it. So it's an S8 V8 turbo, not twin turbo, it's a turbo, and it's pushing like 605 to the wheels in general. So I've never actually rode in one of these cars, and I did yesterday, and it's crazy fast. But definitely go check out this guy right here. It's the Muffler Man of Troy. And if you guys are up in Michigan around this area, definitely go check him out because he's a good
dude. They will hook you up. So many people in like the car scene, they always come here when they need exhaust work done, like they can't handle or something.
Yeah.
You gotta get those resonator deletes.
But it is cold. It is cold. So we're gonna go get some food and take you guys along for the ride.
Boys, that one's about to do it.
No.
I was born here, Royal Oak, 21 years ago.
Dude.
You can't.
This isn't Royal Oak though.
Liar.
You were born there.
Liar.
I said,
Liar.
but
This guy's a phony.
Oh.
This guy's a phony.
Cornhole.
Hey guys, this guy's a big old phony.
You're a cornhole. We're at Mod Pizza. I've never had this before. I don't even know what it compared to like Georgia pizzeries. It's supposedly it's awesome. So you get to mod. It's called Mod Pizza. And
that's why we go because we mod our cars.
Exactly. Yeah. You can mod your own pizza. You can mod your own car. Like what? It equals. It's for car guys. It's for car guys. So we're gonna try it out. Let's see how it is. After you in. Oh, the bride's going in.
Alright, you guys, we are here at Muffler, man. Shout out to them, they're awesome. Sam's an awesome guy.
So
We met him. It's gonna be really freaking loud. This place is sweet. It's just a muffler delete. If you can hear that in there, they're freaking just killing it. But this is the S8. It's just a muffler delete. Let's see the tips, man. Look at them tips, bro. Sounds way better, dude.
Perfect for them.
It's beautiful. I drove it.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Like to burn out.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Oh, that is awesome.
Beautiful sound.
I love it. I think he's gonna absolutely love it.